Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get working Amazon coupon codes. If you're a person who loves to get discounts and save even more, stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it. You can get discounts and coupons directly from Amazon. All you have to do is to make sure to log in your account. Now, in the homepage of Amazon website, you can see the today's deal. Just tap it. Now in here you'll get high discounts. For example, this one. You'll get 30% off when you check out this item. And if you want to get access to coupons, just tap this arrow at the right side until you see the coupons button. Now, just tap. Now in here, just select an item you want to purchase. Like for example, this one. Now, at the bottom of price tag, you can see the coupon tag here. Just check the box and the coupon will automatically added in your checkout. Another method of how to get working Amazon coupon codes is by searching coupon follow website. So let's search for coupon follow. Now in here, just tap the website and all you have to do is search for Amazon. Now, select whatever coupon you want to use here and tap Show Coupon Code and copy the code and paste it in your Amazon website. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.